Hey guys, welcome. Today we're going to go over the YouTube 101 of just making a YouTube account. Let's check it out. Thanks for joining me today. Today you're going to learn the basics of YouTube. Opening a YouTube account is the 101 of getting into YouTube. Whether you are making a channel, whether you want to monetize, whether you want to make a bunch of videos, or just enjoy what is out there, you need an account. But before we get into it, if you guys like this video, make sure you click the little subscribe button in the corner there. And I got a lot more videos coming that's going to help you out on your YouTube journey. All right, let's get into it. Okay, so for this example, I'm going to be using Google Chrome on my Windows 10 desktop. What you'll do first, go up to the search bar at the top, type in youtube.com and press enter. All right, so you've got your first page, a lot of fun stuff going on here, a lot of videos to watch, but let's get an account started first. So you can click sign in right here at the top right, or come down to about middle on the left and click sign in there. We'll just go ahead and just click sign in right there. I have a lot of accounts open right now. Our main one is it's kind of a gray area, which is our normal YouTube series show, but we're gonna go to use another account and create account. So you can do one for yourself. If you just want to have an account, just to have one, just to be on YouTube and to watch things and to save your history, or you can go to manage my business, which is a more professional account where you can actually monetize that in the future, and that's what we're going to go with today. So I'm going to go ahead and just type in my first name and all this information here. So my name is Matt, last name Robinson, and type in the email I made for this, which is ikagashowfan1@hotmail.com. Yes, I used a Hotmail account. Password is and I copy that with and next. Okay, so it sends me a verification code to my email. I grab that and I go ahead and type that in. It usually shows up in about 30 seconds. And then I verify my phone number, which is a whole bunch of blurred out spaces. And once again, it shows me next page, my phone number, which is blurred out, but it does send you to your phone number a a whole bunch of numbers. You'll type that in, verify the code. Hopefully you get it right the first time. Some of us don't quite do that. And there we go. All right, so you still got the blurred out number, but now you've got month, day, year, for your birthday, your gender. So we'll just go ahead and fill those out real quick. Just blowing through this so you guys can just get right to YouTube and get cranking. I am a male. I am going to choose male. And if you'd like to add your phone number, I'm going to skip that. I'm going to read all this, why we process it, blind trust, combined data, you're in control. You know what? I like you're in control, so I'm just going to go ahead and click agree and move on with my life. And there we go. You have your whole account, which you can run everything off of. If you're going to monetize, go for it. If you want to start a YouTube series, you got it. This is the first step to getting that going, guys. And there you have it. It is that simple. Now you have a YouTube account. Congratulations, guys. Now, next video, we're going to be covering how to make your own YouTube channel, not just an account. If you guys want to put some videos out there, if you want to monetize, if you want to make it big, you got to start somewhere. First account, then channel. So join me for the next video when we cover that. In the meantime, remember that subscribe button still sitting there. See you soon.